Pacific Polish Gentle Sea Salt Facial Exfoliator is just amazing. It's like one of those gentle detoxifying salt scrubs that you get at a spa. My skin, like everyone else's these days, is exposed to blue light, pollution, and just non-stop stress, which leaves it looking super dull. This creamy organic formula gently exfoliates away dull skin cells and all those annoying skin stressors to help refine my skin without disrupting its natural barrier. Plus, it allows my other skincare products to be more easily absorbed and effective. So what's its secret? The organic polish uses these superfine, mineral-rich marine salts, which are blended with papaya fruit extract and soothing oils. My skin looked so dull before. Not anymore. It feels clarified, calm, and stress-free. I just squeeze some of the Pacific polish out, smooth it on in circles, and then rinse with warm water. It's gentle enough to use every night or whenever your skin needs some relief. Or you can try it 2 or 3 times a week.